Friends, today I am going to talk about how to make your child a winner. The quest for success begins with a target. Former President of USA, Bill Clinton, used to say, going up yonder, with his eyes on the White House. And all of you know, friends, that he did achieve his goal. Children without a goal wander through life like sleepwalkers, not knowing where they are going. We should help our children to set goals for themselves. Friends, human beings are like thermostats. They cannot go higher than they aim for. Goal setting is actually focusing your energy to move in a decided direction. Children should thus be led to set realistic goals and, having reached them, fixed new goals. It is my firm belief that exceptional intelligence or talent does not guarantee extraordinary accomplishments. The truth of the cliche that success is 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration still holds good. Spectacular achievers like Nehru, Nelson Mandela, Abraham Lincoln, Virat Kohli, Ajinkya Rahane, Amitabh Bachchan, Lata Mangeshkar, Kishore Kumar, Saina Nehwal, and many like them focused more on what they wanted to achieve and worked towards their goal with full commitment and enthusiasm. So, guide your children to be enthusiastic about what they are doing. They should think, talk, and dream about it. Enthusiasm helps people to do a great deal of work without fatigue. Those who achieve success are always fired up. Friends, remember, children should not fear failure. Ingrain this characteristic in them. Nobody has led a failure-free life. Benjamin Disraeli could not speak in Parliament. For the first time he tried to deliver his speech. But later he became a very successful Prime Minister of Great Britain. Even Mahatma Gandhi failed to argue his first case, but later shook the mighty British Empire. Each setback should be treated as a rung on the ladder of success. A dose of misfortune is often an effective tutor. A bend in the road should not be taken as the end of the road. Help your child to develop self-belief. Reaching the top is largely a matter of self-belief. So, a child's concept of self-worth should never be trampled upon. Let him focus on success rather than worry about keeping away from failing. Europe laughed at Christopher Columbus for his attempts to span the ocean, but he did achieve his goal. Thomas Edison recorded many thousand failures before he developed a satisfactory storage battery or invented the electric bulb. Perhaps the most important ingredient for success is strong willpower. Beethoven turned deaf but he struggled and made a resounding success of his life by his indomitable spirit. And so did Helen Keller. So, friends, support your child to believe in his cause and self-esteem. Confidence comes from our encouraging the child. Marks obtained in exams are not a true barometer of intelligence, nor should they be taken as an absolute measure of knowledge possessed by the child. Your child may have an analytical mind, or maybe he is manually dexterous and skillful. He may have an aptitude for fine arts, or yet maybe he is endowed with acting talent. To move in a rut is the easiest thing in life. Ships are safe in the harbor, but they are not meant to be there. They should be up on the high seas and, if need be, face the storms. Therefore, I urge you to encourage your child to take risks in life. Unsuccessful people instinctively avoid taking risk. Urge your children to continuously take on something new and more challenging than they have already achieved. Overcoming problems generates a tremendous thrill. Achievement is not only highly satisfying, but spurs us for further achievement. Encourage your child to take on responsibility. Provide him an opportunity to express his views fearlessly and without any inhibition. Narrate stories of successful people and tell them how they achieved greatness. Great players, musicians, artists, inventors, authors have all climbed the ladder of success by overcoming failures and constant practice and hard work. The Olympic flame for the top performers burns inside them. Antaragni, that means the fire inside our bellies, does the trick. An inner dynamo keeps the champions going and puts them on the victory stand. Friends, remember the spark is already there in your child. You have only to ignite it. So allow your child to dream the impossible, for if there is no dream, what will be there for him to achieve? Stop judging the child only from the academic angle. Your child may be a genius. Let me assure you, he is a masterpiece in the making, if allowed to flourish in his chosen field. Remember, the winner's podium is for those who seek, strive, and do not yield. And if it happens, they ultimately achieve their goals. Friends, I will welcome your comments regarding child-related concerns. Thank you.